Morning, everyone. Beautiful Saturday morning. I didn't have plans to do anything this weekend. I was gonna be a couch potato. That was the plan. But this morning I got up. It's beautiful outside, and I realized, you know what? I can sit on the couch and do nothing when I'm old. So threw some stuff in the backpack. Grabbed the two girls, Lucy and Ellie. We're gonna go for a trek into the woods, maybe find a waterfalls, find somewhere to camp for the night. Let's get going. So peaceful in here. The sun cutting through the trees, sparkling on the snow. Are the girls happy? Ellie, are you happy? What about you, Luce? Are you doing good too? You guys need some snowshoes. You just keep sinking when you go off trail. Look, see? I'm not that far in, but I'm really liking this spot for a camp. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Okay. All right, next up, let's get our tarp out. And that's our little lean-to for the night. When I'm going to bed, I'll tuck that down over so it closes up a little bit. It's almost time to start collecting some wood. All right, that'd be good for the fire pit. Storm took down a bunch of good stuff. This is a little too thick for me to split, but I'm gonna cut it off and use it as a base for my fire pit. All right, let me dig a little spot here. That's my refrigerator. Put our pork chops in there. Put our peas in there. Cover it up. Keep it nice and cold till supper time. Let's split some wood. Ooh, That'd be a nice batonding one. There's nothing worse than starting a fire and it going out on you because you don't have enough kindling split. So take the time. Split a bunch of wood, different sizes. Get some shavings, that kind of stuff. Do separate piles. That way there, when you're ready to light it, you can keep it going. You get nice and toasty warm. Do you guys hear her whining in the background? She's not even the one doing any work. Lots of shavings. Dryer lint and dog hair. What I'm doing there is shaving off a little, just so it'll help catch it. All right, let's give this a go. There we go, look. I burnt my sweater a little bit there. Well, I'm not deep in the woods and I'm not far off the trail, but this is a dandy little spot to make camp. This trip wasn't about putting a bunch of kilometers on and hiking far. It was more so get the two girls out and get them used to it, because every time I've tried to take them camping, it's usually a catastrophe. Something happens. So I want to stick close, but get them out, and maybe I can start taking them out more. What are you saying? Huh? What are you saying, Elle? Say, Dad, I don't know about this, but I'm with you, so I guess that's all that matters. Huh? I know, I love you too. One's laying on the mat, one's laying on the snow. They must be enjoying this too, it's relaxing. I got a TV show going, sitting next to the fire. I was lucky enough, there was a downed hardwood tree, birch hardwood. So that's what I've been cutting up. And that burns quite a while hardwood always does burn longer. So far, I'm glad I got it out of the house. I was going to sit and be a couch potato all weekend and watch TV show, but I'll tell you, this is much better watching it right here, downloaded, sit next to the fire, fresh air. Beautiful. Still sitting here, splitting wood, eating some chips, watching TV show.
You know what, I hate to cut it short, but I have to get going. Come on, we've been locked up for weeks.
Alright, time to get some supper on the go. First things first, into the fridge. Got a good bed of coals there, and I'll let that little stuff burn off a bit. Pull out the grill. Let that heat up and clean off. We're gonna be on some pork chops. Oh yeah. The dogs will love some of this. Time to cook some pork chops. The dogs are just staring at me. They know what's going on. Little do they know, though, some of it is for them. They're almost there. That's for the girls. They don't know it yet. I know they can smell it. I gotta let that cool down and cut it up because they'll just swallow it whole. All right, let's make it even for them. That looks about even. Let's see how long this lasts. I always give to Lucy first because she's the eldest. Here you go, baby. Some meat for you. Luce, Ellie. Ellie's eating it. Look. Here. Wonder if she thinks she's not allowed because it's on a plate. Is it good? Don't eat the plate though. How was it? Good stuff? I'm gonna go have mine now, okay? Oh, can you hear the coyotes? They're not far. Maybe we're packing this up for the night, girls. Yeah, maybe we will pack it up. We don't have a tent. We're just laying out in the open. I don't want to deal with that tonight. No. Okay, we're gonna pack up. We'll go home. Okay. Come on, move. Making our way out. The coyotes were sounded like they were getting closer. I was packing up. Anything back there? Nope, not yet. We're hoofing out of here. Anything back there? Nope. Okay, good. We're almost out. There's the end, just up there. I'm telling you, if the coyotes want me, now it's time to get me. Oh, I'm exhausted. We hoofed out of there. Like the Blair Witch Project. Come on, let's go. Where are you at? Get out in front, please, so I can keep an eye on you. Thank you. Well, guys, I didn't get eaten. Don't worry. If they would have attacked, I would have turned the camera on. Oh, all right. Now, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little scare we had. I'm gonna head home now. Change my underwear. Well, girls, how was that? Huh? We didn't spend a night. We had some pork chops, some sugar snap peas. You guys tired? Yeah. I worked up a sweat coming out of there. We were hoofing it. Yeah, I had like 50 pounds of... Oh, you had a hard time too, did you? You weren't carrying nothing. What are you trying to tell me? Huh? What are you trying to tell me? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.